Today we are editing the Windows 11 registry. These tweaks are designed to improve your network speeds on Steam and boost your in-game performance. Let's get straight to it. Press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard. A small Run box will open. Reject it, press Enter, click Yes when Windows asks for permission. Look at the address bar at the top of the registry editor, delete everything in it. Now, paste this exact path into the bar. I will leave it on the screen for you. You will be taken directly to the System Profile folder. Now, look at the large white area on the right side. Find the file named Network Throttling Index. It should be near the bottom. Double-click on Network Throttling Index. Look under Base. Click the circle next to hexadecimal. This is very important. Delete whatever is in there. Type 8Fs. Click OK. You have just told Windows to never throttle your network connection. This can make a huge difference for Steam downloads and updates. Now look on the left-hand side. We are still in the System Profile folder. Below it, you should see a folder named Tasks. Click the small arrow next to Tasks to open it. Inside that, click on the folder named Games. Just click the word Games. First, find GPU priority, double-click it. Make sure the base is set to hexadecimal. In the value data box, type the number 8, just 8, click OK. Next, find priority, double-click it. Make sure the base is hexadecimal. In the value data box, type the number 6, click OK. Last one, find scheduling category, double-click it. This box looks different. In the value data box, delete what is there, type the word high. With a capital H, click OK. You have just told the Windows scheduler that games get the highest GPU priority, high CPU priority, and are in the high-performance scheduling category. This forces Windows to give your game all the power it needs after your computer restarts. Open Steam and launch your favorite game. You should notice that your downloads are more stable and your games run smoother. Thank you for watching.